Welcome to another update via the Force 13's Australia Oceania channel, where we have a low pressure system off the WA coast. And again on the screen is the wind feature GFS model on the Windy website. And look at that rotation. Information on the low is 1004 millibars, located 29 degrees south, 104 degrees east, and it's predicted to increase up to 1012 millibars, and location near 28 south, 107 east. That's across the 12-hour forecast period. That's the latest from the Bureau of Meteorology. Within 480 nautical miles below and outside the warning area, clockwise winds 20 to 30 knots, increasing 25 to 33 knots within 60 nautical miles of the warning area. Another look at various models and their positions track on this low pressure system. The latest satellite view of the region, and look at that rotation. This is a closer look at the low pressure system. And WA isn't the only region which is having some interesting weather. This is the 850 millibars vorticity. Look at the yellow, red to the pink. This is the latest wind shear, and the region favourable is in green and the yellow. The upper level divergence and above the low pressure, the low I should say, a very healthy 40 knots. This is the current marine wind warning for parts of Western Australia, the North Kimberley, West Kimberley, Pilbara Coast West, Nigaloo Coast, Gascoyne Coast. That's for today. A new feature that will be including in various updates. This is a preview, and we will expand on it at a later date. This is out to 120 hours. This is a look at white caps, wave height, and the same period, 120 hours. The scale bottom of the screen. And at my location to the north of Brisbane, whilst doing this update, very heavy rain. The information is bottom left hand side of the screen, and this is wave height in a second. Another preview which we will expand on at a later date. Latest satellite view for the Eastern Australian, South Pacific regions, and taking in the North Island of New Zealand. Another look at the GFS, re a low that's supposed to be off the New South Wales case. The Bureau of Meteorology doesn't have any information other than what is in their current severe weather warning. This is the Navy's NAFGEM, the NCEP GFS model, and models do change. Tracks information. Severe weather warning remains current for the northern rivers, mid-north case. Low pressure trough is offshore of the New South Wales. This is the warning area, Queensland, New South Wales border, right down to just north of Taree. The Bureau of Meteorology's New South Wales office has issued a flood warning for the Richmond-Wilsons River. Up to 170 millimetres of rain has been observed during the last 48 hours to 5 a.m. Sunday. Flood watch remains current for the Brunswick, Richmond, Wilsons, Goth Coast, the Orara, Bellinger, Nambucca and Hastings River valleys. Marine wind warning is in place for the Byron Coast. Strong wind warning, but for Monday. Now for the Australian Eastern region, this is across the next couple of days, and the area to the southeast of Fraser Island to the northeast of Cape Morton. And look at that area, Cape Morton down to at least Goffs Harbour. Now we have a look at the latest rainfall 12-hourly information from the BI Meteorology, and you can definitely see the areas of interest, and this is across the forecast period, 4 days, but it's updated every 12 hours. Now this is a closer look for the area north from Wollongong up to the New South Wales Queensland border across the next 4 days. And you can see how the picture changes. And the rainfall scale is the right hand side of the screen. Now we have a look at Queensland and paying attention to the southeast corner. Our next update will cover this feature and the total forecast of rain across the next 8 days. Now look at the area Moreton Island right down to Lismore. And this trough only has, or low, just has to track a little bit west and the picture changes. So south of Brisbane could see up to 150 millimetres of rain.
You can follow Force 13's outlets, the website force13.co.uk, at your service at any time. You can also find us on YouTube, the channel, search Force 13, all in text, and subscribe if you haven't already. You can also find us on Facebook at Force 13, and it's at Force 13 on Twitter, that's the handle to contact us there. You can also add Fool13 on Skype, that's FOOL13, and add extension 9094 on Discord for tropical weather chat.